It's great to be here at the first inaugural Dalscoil Carnival to celebrate our workforce and employees' home traditions from their countries. We've seen lots of dancing, lots of African music, lots of different activities, and so many talents from across our whole employee base.
It's a great initiative by the company, and I am very happy to see this on the ground. For the labor, they are taking these steps, and I am great to see it is multinationality, and all nationality they have their own stalls. They are in a collaborative form.
People of Pakistan really are enjoying, and they are celebrating their 53rd National Day in the same manner as they used to celebrate the National Day of Pakistan in Pakistan. So it makes me really happy that Pakistani really, have UAE's National Day very close to their heart.
এই অনুষ্ঠানে যোগদান করতে পেরে আমি নিজেকে খুব ধন্য মনে করছি। আপনারা জানেন যে বাংলাদেশি লেবাররা অত্যন্ত পরিশ্রমী, নিবেদিত প্রাণ, সৎ, কর্মঠ এবং তারা তাদের যোগ্যতা এবং কর্মের গুণেই সংযুক্ত আরব আমিরাতে তারা একটা নিজেদের জায়গা দখল করে নিয়েছে।